not a good place to come out from. People coming over that hill, you can't see them. Need to come out a little quicker, Pop. Somebody not paying attention would have set into you. Would have nailed you. Uh-oh, we got to do this. We got to get some railroad video. We got some locomotives here. No loitering enforced by Hart County Sheriff's Department. I'm going to turn it off and go on the other side and get video over there with the sun at our back. Okay, yeah, I wanted to get these buildings here. Then I'll get the locomotives. We'll stop on the other side because the sun is better on the other side, and I'll get some video from the other side. Neat little town. Bowersville, National Historic Site. Let's get some closer video of the locomotives. There's a fair amount of snow here. It's still on the ground. Bowersville, Georgia.